In this video, I'm going to teach you how to control PC with TV remote. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about what options you have if you want to use a TV remote to control your PC or a laptop. So first, I want to make it very clear, not all TV remotes are going to be natively compatible with a PC or a laptop. You can't simply just point them at the device, expect a connection, and expect them to work. They are designed to work with other technologies, and because of this, most of them, basically 99%, are not going to be compatible in any way, shape, or form. So as it stands today, even though you can make them compatible, usually there will still be a strict list of requirements and you will have to do a lot of setup. And for a video of this nature that is supposed to give you a general overview in a short amount of time, I cannot recommend those options. So what I recommend that you do instead is you purchase a TV remote designed to be used with a PC. As you can see, this one from REE, the MX3 multifunction keypad, keyboard, and remote control costs $12.99, and it is going to be fully compatible with your PC, laptop, and of course you can still use it on a TV. So if you want to, you could even substitute your current TV remote. This one is designed to work with all of these devices, so it works with a TV and it also works with a PC or laptop. You will be able to use it as a mouse. You have the keyboard at the back. It is going to be fully wireless, and you will be able to connect it easily. So all that you need is this little USB dongle. You connect the USB dongle to any of the available USB ports on your PC or laptop, and once the USB has been connected, that specific TV remote will be able to connect to the USB wirelessly, and you will be able to use the remote on your PC or laptop. Of course, you should expect a little bit of latency. This isn't going to be a perfect connection, however, it is convenient and cheap. You can explore other options, but I believe this is going to be the most conventional one and the one that most people prefer to go for. But you can clearly see that there are other TV remotes that also work with PC. They also include a keyboard and they should connect through the same methods. I hope I was able to help you on how to control PC with TV remote. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.